Alright guys, well congratulations. You guys have made it to the end of this tutorial. I want to go ahead and say congratulations. You guys have learned a incredibly valuable skill which is trending and will never really get old, you know. Now I want to actually give you guys more resources and different things that you guys can use to further your either career or knowledge with WordPress and making websites. Now my YouTube channel, guys, provides a lot of free valuable information. Like if you want to use, you know, membership programs, or you want to sell online, or you want to sell on Facebook, or you want to learn Facebook marketing, I provide all of these free courses on my YouTube channel. So for example, right here I review some web hosting companies, right here I talk about an e-commerce website, and right here I talk about a real estate website with WordPress. So I talk about everything, guys. So if you guys have questions regarding stuff, also like, you know, how to make a forum, how to do email marketing, like the best, you know, free e-commerce WordPress themes, or the Divi theme, or all this stuff, WooCommerce, guys, all the resources are here. So be sure to check out my channel. There is a lot of knowledge that you guys can get with this, because I go over everything, you know, YouTube advertising, Google Analytics, anything you can possibly think of, I talk about on my channel. So I am a big WordPress promoter. I like to promote all things with WordPress because it's amazing. It's the most biggest advancement of technology we've probably ever had in history. So I want to go ahead and share you guys with all these videos to make sure that you guys can further your skills, learn SEO, learn web design, whatever you want to learn. Be sure to check out my channel. Also be sure to check out my website right here. Go to my blog. I also, you know, have some blog posts. You guys can also subscribe to my newsletter. I give away a lot of free stuff like plugins. I give away a lot of layouts, a lot of really cool stuff. So be sure to check out my blog, and also my Udemy courses, guys. So this course actually will be taught on Udemy as well. And again, I want to let you guys know that I'll be very honest, guys. My content is it's very high quality. You know, all of my classes right here are, you know, 4.5 stars or better, because I want to be very thorough. I want to, you know, I don't want people to watch my videos and feel like they didn't learn anything, you know, because I was there too, where I watch videos and be like, you know, I watched this video, but I didn't learn anything. You know, there's a lot of people out there that do that, and that's not me. That's not who I am. I want to help my viewers. I want to help you guys succeed in your careers or whatever you're trying to learn. Also, my Facebook page. Feel free to go to my Facebook page, guys. Go ahead and like it. Go ahead and give me a comment. Rate it. Let me know what you guys thought about this, because you know, your feedback, it really helps me out. You know, companies out there pay millions of dollars for feedback, and I'm asking you guys to provide it for free. So again, you guys can go to my, you know, Facebook page, send me a message, and guys, I try to get to all my messages as I can, but you know, it's really hard to get to all the messages. You know, I get like, you know, 50 to 100 emails a day, and just responding to all of those is it's a lot. You know, it's a lot to do that. You know, it really is. So be sure to check out my channel, guys. Be sure also to check out my Udemy courses. I'm also on Skillshare, and go ahead and see me on Facebook. Okay, guys. So congratulations on your website. Really, if you made it this far, you know, pat yourself on the back. Most people would not, because a lot of people don't want to invest the time to learn such a very valuable skill. It drives me crazy. I'm like, dude, I'm teaching you how to start your own business in a matter of 3 hours, but you rather sit there and spend hours on forums or something trying to learn something that you can be taught right here for free. Okay, so again, guys, congratulations on your websites. Be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll see all of you in the next tutorial.